everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make an aesthetic ombre whiteboard calendar for less than $10. This is such a simple yet cute DIY which can add to any space, such as a bedroom, office, or kitchen. For this project, you are going to need the following items, which includes a black 18-inch by 24-inch tube profile poster frame from Target, a white foam board from the dollar store, a pencil, pen, or marker, an Expo dry erase marker, a glue stick, scissor or paper cutter, ruler, and paint swatches from Home Depot. First, take your pencil, ruler, and paint swatches in order to mark 3-inch boxes. Second, use a scissor or paper cutter, whatever you prefer, to cut the paint swatches. Third, take the color you would like for the days of the week, which in my case is gray, and mark 1-inch rectangles. Fourth, cut the paint swatches like we did before. Fifth, disassemble the black frame. Then, use the beach photo as a template to trace around the foam board from the dollar store. Sixth, take your scissors and cut the foam board. Seventh, take the black frame and add it to the white foam board you just cut out to create a border. Eighth, take the paint swatches and lay them out to your liking. Ninth, take a glue stick and glue the squares to the foam board. 10th, when you are done gluing the squares, take a pen or marker and write the days of the week on the top 1-inch rectangles. 11th, take the black frame border off again in order to attach the clear sheet that came with the frame so that the calendar can be reusable each month. Once the clear piece is laid on top, attach the black frame once again. 12th, use a dry erase marker to write the month and days of the week on each top left corner. 13th, use a tissue to erase the calendar when the month is over. Happy crafting!